If you ask me, now who I go ask? No matter where we see, so
my country people, this one now we to read for.
Understanding, you guys go take talk to your husband. How my Ronald is finished. You go take, you get, look, every man get your own possibility.
We say, waiting go make man carry him. See what I dance? Bakasa. Forget her for woman. Beg una make una sit down because we dey come really shook my hands. Then later for the program, you go come bring us, so that you go see shook your mouth for the presenter and come make una beg us for.
no matter for crown. Now who I go ask? Now who I go ask?
My country people, that's what the matter be, still on the matter. You know, say I dey talk before, say when God create man, get the way in create him. The way he can create woman, get the way he package the woman. You know, when the man dey sleep, now God can't carry one rib of the man, can't take create woman. That's what we can't know. You know, say when they grow up, you know, say get the kind of work we be say man, I ain't get him. Get the kind of work we be say na woman, I ain't get him. But things gonna change. We're gonna hear say a waiting man go feel do say woman go do am, go come put jara. For the matter now we won't talk. And today I agree to my Tory people. And the matter for ground be this, the matter for ground. Now yeah, we dey shook mouth for any matter where concern you, come concern with society. Now me, your country sister, I beg make you not come out because for the program, you go come ring us, make yourself shook your mouth for the matter. And the matter today now true say waiting man go fit do, woman go do and pass. Can't even put jara on top. And the matter be that. So they come, make you not come out.
If you ask me, now who I go ask? No matter where we see, so
my country people, this one now we to read for.
Understanding, you guys go take talk to your husband. How my Ronald is finished. You go take, you get, look, every man get your own possibility.
We say, waiting go make man carry him. See what I dance? Bakasa. Forget her for woman.
Yeah, person you now. I will tell you about it. Now they look. May I say, make a girl for me when get married. He's the one I love. Please. I don't want to just like this. It's very like here, just make I kill myself there.
Beg una make una sit down because we dey come really shook my hands. Then later for the program, you go come bring us, so that you go see shook your mouth for the presenter and come make una beg us for.
no matter for crown. Now who I go ask? Now who I go ask?
My country people still on the matter be say waiting man go fit do, woman go do and pass. Now true, but the matter now we want yarn today. And you know now, nobody me there to touch like this matter. I get my country brother and country sister for studio. Make we yarn the matter together. So make we waka, make we know who they be. My sister waiting for that side when wearing red. I bet what to be your name?
Mrs. Ewere Azikiwe.
Okay, Azikiwe, I will greet you, madam. Okay, Oga.
My name is Tony Enejedo.
Okay, Oga, you do well, so you come matter for ground. Auntie?
My name is Agnes Onyekachukwu Dennis.
Okay, when I do well, say when I come matter for ground, we could touch like the matter together. Now hear me when I talk about the topic. Say waiting man to fit do, woman will do am. When you do and finish, you can't put jara on top. And the matter if not true, now we won't talk today. So we could start with madam with you for the corner. What thing you get to talk with the matter?
This matter, I don't tell where they ground. Maybe today. And now the same people when talk and I still talk say behind any successful woman say woman na im dey there. So if from that one say you go see am say na true, make we go for house inside family. Before women dem no dey work, na men na im dey bring money, na men na im dey bring food for house. Woman own na to just sit down, dey cook, dey clean, dey do, dey work. Woman na im go bath children, woman na im go do this one. You know say if you still look inside that one, men dem no go fit do all those kind work. To go bring the money sef, e simple pass to do all this work wey we dey talk for house. But recently this time now I dey tell you these days when we dey, women don dey work, dey still bring the same money, still dey do the same work. If you look am now, the same money when the men dey go bring come, so wey dem go say you come here pass my food with the children dem don bath, clean this kata, wash this place not clean, wear my clothes, give me my tie, help me do this one. Now they don dey bring the money, they don still dey do the work. Now that one call dey bring me dey enter managerial skill. Na so oyibo call am. Women now dey be better managers than women. The office wey we dey work, e get one manager wey dey there before na man, like 2 managers don work for the place. But the female manager wey dey there now, she dey scatter things. The way she finish work, last week dem give am award for the same company wey men no fit perform. You dey hear am? So if you look the matter inside, you go see say wetin we dey talk say na true.
Ada say wetin we dey talk say na true. Okay, I see oga dey do nose, dey do mouth. Make I hear wetin him get to talk.
The matter when you dey ground be say wetin man fit do.
Yes.
Woman go fit do am.
Yes. Do am pass sef, you come put
you see these days, women na not want take time, na not want take una time because I never see where woman go dey follow man dey drag pot of soup. You know, they say wetin man go fit do. Man fit take singlet right now, waka enter inside hotel. You go knock, koko, how much for room? You don't see where woman go carry small wrapper enter inside hotel. Because if na say 100 naira, man go pay. Where woman enter inside hotel say how much for your room? Man go say because why there? That will not go happen. But man confidently go fit enter that place. So that's why they ask you now. Woman go fit enter hotel, come they go ask for price. They look for a shower for that place. You know they. No, listen now they come now. You know they talk to say what the man go fit do. Now woman go fit do everything. That is why I say make una take una time. Because it's not good make una begin to raise una head with man. That is why even when lizard he fall come up for this place, he say, maybe I know what I pass through for this place when I come for dance. So because most of una women these days, I say una just dey carry una head. They follow man, they drag trouser. You not go walk like that. Now we'll be African women, we'll be African people. Now our culture say make a woman begin respect man. You understand?
We don't talk say women not dey respect.
No, listen, that one wait
we
now.
Say even for the respect side there, now women and they respect.
Listen now, I
because if you put man and put woman, man go say you know go fit talk nothing. He go talk, but women get listening.
Make you wait here. Now. Woman go fit give man belle. No, now man I go fit do am. So that one,
man go fit born the pikin come and
if man not put seat for there, what you go make woman say they go carry the belle? You know they. You understand? So waiting man go fit do. Woman no go fit do am. Waiting man they do, woman no go fit near am.
Waiting man they do. Why you can't be say no only when it comes to say they go do something. Now you man go come sit down, get it back. Women don dey show say even the things the way man dey do before, woman go fit do.
Like what now?
Okay, may I go give you example, plenty example. Like now when they talk say make they come beautify our Asaba. E get plenty men wey don take over this position. But when I come Asaba, I be that person.
But when I dey for Port Harcourt for plenty years, I come relocate to Asaba. When I come Asaba 2017, na so you go pass, you go see dirty. Na so they go dump am for everywhere. Na man I dey for the seat too, for the development of the Asaba so. That they see the same governor. When the governor come reshuffle the whole thing now, come carry woman put for them. Come carry the same money wey they give this men, dem carry give the woman. All of us see wetin dey happen for Asaba now. E first start make dem dey paint the walls, clear the whole place, begin dey plant flowers everywhere.
Yes.
If you come Asaba now, you no go know am again.
So as woman enter the power, things come change.
Still change the same money wey they carry give the men before, you know, when they carry the money go na go so you go remember say they go hotel.
Who give her the power?
You wan go carry the
Who give her the power? No, I
we
dey talk
dey
now.
talk
Who
say
give her the
wetin
power?
man fit do.
Who should not be man give her the power?
You see,
if
I agree.
when man make man do am, na we dey talk so.
Now they ask now say they give the woman the power, make they do am before, not be so.
Oga,
Who they do
see
the
am.
work?
If they give the same man, they don give
Now wetin
plenty
we
men.
wan try now say make we give woman sef this governor.
Governor, make
We
we
know
see
how
am
our
this time.
governor
E
try
no go fit
die
happen
o,
for
but
this
if they
Nigeria.
give woman now make it be governor na go see wetin go.
It no go fit happen because
again.
na there na go dey go change na Brazilian hair. Na there na go dey do ajo for the money wey be say of the
My
state.
people, e get wetin woman go fit do.
Woman get her own level.
Man come out, we go see the difference.
The
Say
time
we
they
dey
say
go buy Brazilian
when
hair.
they no I dey come
e dey
when
talk
they
something.
no listen when they take marip
Okay.
take rate una God don talk say make una follow us dey show muscle
na
you understand but because of school when I dey go na make una dey follow ma dey first
They still dey talk say overtaking is allowed. If you no know, women don dey take over.
na im make una dey get money many
Women don dey
I
take
don
over.
make the men to no come dey know wetin dem dey do again.
okay
Wait, Oga.
okay make I talk one thing
I talk, I dey hear.
you say everything wey be say man dey do
Woman dey that thing
Woman dey
say
do am
man
o.
like wetin she talk
you
now.
come
Woman go
lis
do
ten I
am
dey come now
pass Ujara.
Go come put jara on top.
which woman dey climb palm tree dey go bring down the palm nut abi
Say
so
where-
dey do
E
oil
still dey to
where na I say I ask you I say which
You
woman
go
dey do
say
that
if
one
you
Never see am. No mean say e no dey.
you go say you never see.
E no mean say e no dey.
I never see anywhere woman dey climb palm tree say
You
dey go
never
cut
see.
e no dey
Oga, you need to
happen
look
For this
very
no
place,
dey.
they don
E
dey
no
wear
dey.
trouser.
E no
You
dey.
go climb there, go come down.
e no dey
Oga, you not sure say because they never give that woman that chance make it.
who dey give who dey give una chance
Na because they don give the men dem the chance. If
Who
you
dey
give
give-
woman
who
the
dey
chance,
give
Go
na
climb
chance?
am o. Abi na me say my country people. Bless
He
the woman
go
go climb
climb
down.
am.
Climb
E
up
go.
to Nigeria,
E
reach
go.
the end, the
E
jump
go.
God herself.
you say e
if
go
he come back, he go still do the palm oil. He
Yes.
go use am cook food for you.
e don dey happen
No, wait, make I ask you one question, Oga.
yeah.
Na to climb the tree, go bring the palm. Na easy pass
Na im be
to
the work.
produce am.
who dey produce am now
Who can dey do am?
you dey
Na
produce am.
woman.
Which
Na
woman?
woman dey
Man
put
go dey put fire.
Na women dey do am.
Where?
Women dey put fire.
which
Everybody
woman
dey match the.
not be not who bring am come there not be the man
Who put am for up?
who get the
Who
skill
plant am?
Na man put am for up.
Who plant am?
forget about who plant that one na who
Yeah,
plant
that's
am.
why e get wetin
Now,
e get wetin
no,
Oga
listen.
first talk that time.
Yeah,
Say
we dey hear.
he say whether na woman na im dey plant pikin for woman. I wan answer am that question. You know say if you plant corn now, e need to germinate. If e germinate before e go grow, when e don grow finish before e go begin dey get the seed and everything wey dem go pluck later.
Na so.
Put the pikin for there make dem no bring am come out whether you go know whether na pikin you put abi na monkey.
wetin you talk so no relate with wetin we
Na,
dey discuss.
no,
Na
the
same
same
now.
thing.
No,
Na the
no,
same thing.
no.
They say what a man can do, a woman can do it better.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
The
Because
planting
na you
of-
bring the
plant-
matter
the
say-
planting of corn e quite different from a human being no.
Now the same
the
thing.
corn
This is just like
the corn fit not germinate o. Come on, the corn no be
man
just
fit still
germinate
put
o.
there, you know talk pikin.
Na so my country people.
You say you no understand. Say man go fit even put there.
He no go
Not
say.
talk pikin. If woman no hold the thing, he go talk pikin.
If woman
I dey come, you don
You
give
know,
us.
Make you wait.
My country person, I greet you abeg. Who dey call us and where you dey call us from?
Hello.
I dey hear you, my country brother.
I know say why come to only one man? I ain't come for that program.
And I make you dey yarn us, so call us make you talk for the matter. Aya, we dey hear you.
My name na Antonio Okuta Temple. I got Temple. I dey from Perth. So, as I come to only one man, I want to be there. Come to two men. And I'm the right that man alone. I'm going to the talk dey true. Now, woman, friend, you have a man. That question you first ask am, I'm not being answered. I'm not asking for them. Now the Russian, the one is talk, friend. So, if that way man goes, if that way man goes, God don't make am like that.
Yes. Tell us now, so they call us, so Janos. I talk one, only one.
They took them out.
Oh, okay, wait.
I don't talk one, I don't talk that. Now, no.
But now things don't change, oh.
How
They
you
happen.
where you change go?
Eh.
Another thing, this bank when they talk to, don't find bank that woman don't climb back, they are not bring family for home. Like another thing.
Okay, you not sure say they give woman the tree, you go fit go bring the banga come from up, come down.
For where? For where?
Okay, my country brother, you do well, so you call us. We greet you.
I tell my friend with the here now, and all of them are doing it on the matter. But when I talk to the Russian man, because only he is there.
Okay.
I'm going to put first, so he will do.
Not very. I tell you, I represent them very well.
I wan even answer the question.
What you want?
If they come, make you finish.
But the Russian like say they talk like.
Now be woman power, so now to show say women get power.
I will call out to you.
Oh, they wait for you, no wahala. You do well.
I think well.
Alright, bye bye.
Yeah.
And they come up with hear this person, then we go talk. Hello, my Tory person, I greet you. What will be your name and where they call us from?
My name is Carlo. I'm calling from Asana.
Okay, madam, you do well. I better shoot man for this our matter.
I beg that they hear what you they talk. They say woman no fit born without man. Now waiting that man talk finish. Now lie, they don't hear of Mother Mary was born without Joseph. Only that man
Madam, finish work. Who they hear you?
I said, because if it go easy for man to born without woman, why Joseph no born Jesus? So may they go check am. If you get another thing wey man fit do, wey woman no fit do for this world, may they show me. But you get wetin woman do, wey man no fit do. Because woman born without man, man no fit born without woman.
God bless
You
you.
do well, you finish the matter.
God bless you.
We greet you, my sister. Madam, don't finish, Shambo. You don't talk, you don't answer the question.
Which matter? Which
If you wan follow
matter? Which
technology
matter? How
now,
you feel?
even if you wan follow technology, woman fit get belle without a man.
How you want to get the belly?
Wetin do IVF? Wetin do IVF?
Now so God talk am.
No,
I
na
beg
to
I-
born the pikin.
No,
Na
I
the
beg
dey
you.
go.
I they
That's
come,
it.
they come, we our country person. I greet you, my country person.
Good afternoon.
I greet you, my brother. What will be your name and where they call us from?
My name is Happy. I dey call from Asaba.
Okay, I better shoot man for this matter.
Truth we say is bitter, but I will say it. It's not good to give woman a chance. Because if they give woman a chance, when they give chance is too much.
Don't mind them.
Let me give you a true life story.
Okay.
The woman I met, went to the family, do introduction, everything, planned towards the marriage. Thank God say she don't born for me. I just put her for police. Let me and she married. She start at it today. They're not supposed to give woman a chance. Thank you.
Hey, Oga is not supposed to give him a chance. So because when you give her a chance, he go take chances. Women not here. What do you get to talk for that one?
Now for the good sides, better.
With good side.
If, for example, you give woman chance, say, yeah, handle this business for me, and he finish work, the business take am to the next level. Is it not good?
Okay, Moku hear what our country person get to talk. I greet you, my country person.
Hello?
I greet you, my country person. What will be your name and where they call us from?
Na me Sophie from Asaba.
Okay, I better shoot man for the matter.
This matter, I want to put my photo.
Oh yeah, shoot.
The winner this day. The way we dey go for, I not be so easy those days.
Thank you.
The men, make we learn how to give our men respect when due to them. Any small thing just dey our hand, we go dey carry for them like say the one dey for our farm.
Madam don't talk. Tell us that woman I talk so.
She do well.
He
But-
say man big part sauce.
We not talk say they're
Alright.
not big or they're big.
You
Wetin
not
we dey
talk
talk say
so. You
wetin
not
they
talk
go
so.
fit
Oh,
do.
na match
Say
now.
we no fit do.
You know go fit to do one.
We go fit do.
The woman don't talk am.
Anything dey.
Make una respect am. So that is why many
We don't
times
talk say we no dey
many
respect.
women they not fit stay for my house because they don't too much carry body up.
Okay,
You
make I ask
understand?
one question.
Because
Make I
take
ask
your
you
call.
one- make I
Relax,
ask
you
you
make you
one
wait.
Okay, okay, yeah, wait
Woman
out.
don't say
Country
make I
person
carry
get
my
to
shoulder
talk.
up. Not to they carry shoulder.
Okay,
Nah,
Oga
woman,
wait.
I used to
Oga
keep
wait,
one.
abeg. My country person I greet you, abeg.
Country people, good afternoon.
I I agree to. What will be your name and where you dey yarn us from?
My name na Mrs. Chinwe Okosa. I dey come from Asaba.
Okay, I will shoot my for the matter.
E good to say we go respect our men.
Yes.
But in a process, you know they talk say what a woman can be, man can be. Yeah, so not true in some ways because now how Bible say talk am. Now we go take respect am. But women are the hospital. Women dey respect woman. Because to carry belle, fine on men I dey put the pikin for belle. But no man go fit enter the room or enter theater go hear belle. They can't do it.
No fit.
So na they raise hand for woman too. They don't begin to make us go over the respect our husband so we must respect them. But then one of the give us, one of the give thank us because no dey if no be woman I born them. Then woman man go fit born woman. They no go fit now. I be my country sister.
Hello, my sister. We greet you. Thank you.
Won't put am that way.
Okay.
Yes, we go dey respect our men. Well.
Okay.
When I God dey talk am.
Okay. We greet you, my
They
sister.
respect our women.
Okay. We greet you, my sister.
Because no day to carry pikin woman be like you for 9 months. You go carry am go home, come back. You go enter kitchen. You go wash clothes. You go blow pikin nose. Now you go see sometimes you go cover the man because man no get. You go cook food. You go carry come and the man go even come back from work. You go dey talk say, this food is not ready. It's not ready. What are you waiting for? Na the same work go na go. Now the woman dey go. It's very easy. It's not very easy.
You know easy.
So we go dey raise hand for us.
Okay. Okay, raise hand for women.
Raise hand for us. Raise hand.
Or the same work where you go. Okay, but I will greet you. You do well, eh?
The same work where you go, let the woman go come.
Okay, I dey come make I hear this one. Hello?
This is Mike.
Okay.